Have you ever felt like the more you give, the less people value you? Like no matter how kind, loyal, or available you are, you still get ignored or overlooked? Here's the harsh truth: people don't always take you for granted because they're bad. Sometimes, it's because of what you allow. When you're always available, always saying yes, always putting others first, you slowly teach people that your time, energy, and presence come easy. And what comes easy, often gets ignored. Think about it. The things we value most are usually the things we fear losing. But if you never set boundaries, never say no, and never prioritize yourself, people assume you'll always be there, no matter how they treat you. Another reason: overgiving. When you constantly give without receiving, you create an imbalance. And over time, that imbalance turns into disrespect, even if it's unintentional. And here's something deeper. Sometimes, people take you for granted because they know you won't walk away. There's no consequence. No risk. So they don't feel the need to change. But the moment you start valuing yourself, everything shifts. When you respect your own time, people notice. When you set boundaries, people adjust. When you stop chasing, people start paying attention. Because value isn't just about what you give, it's about what you refuse to tolerate. If this opened your eyes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, never let your kindness become the reason you're disrespected.